Hey guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Graham with me.
Hey everybody.
And we are going to be doing another home decor video. You guys really liked and enjoyed the ones we did last time. So we're back at it again with another one. Today we're going to be doing the bed frame and linens. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, then just keep on watching this video. Alright, so first things first, I know it's like sunny over here. We have the bed frame. It came with a bunch of parts and this is the biggest part. This is our bed as of right now. It's just not really matching with the rest of the flow of the room that I wanted to create. The pillows don't really match at all. These are just our silk slip pillows that we like to sleep on because it keeps our hair nice, or at least it keeps my hair nice and moisturized and together and not frizzy. So we really wanted to add way more white to this room. So we have our bed frame over here, which is white, and then we also got linens that are, I think they're white, or they might be like a really light gray fog. I actually can't remember which color we ended up going with. It's either a white or like a beige or just a really nice gray color that's really light. And yeah, so we're just gonna start putting this stuff together and moving this bed mattress out of the way so that we can get this bed frame out of here and get the new one in.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. That you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be.
Alright guys, so we just finished putting together the bed frame and this is what it looks like. So now we're just gonna put the mattress on top and put the linens on and then we'll be done. Oh wow. We have the linens. I guess these are the sheets. Put that there. Then we got an extra sheet. We got like the bundle, one of the bundles. So I guess they gave us this little cute reusable bag that we can put groceries in. Nice. What is this? Oh, and they gave us a detergent so that we can use this detergent when we wash the sheets and they'll stay fresh and really good quality for longer. So that was really nice. And then we have our pillowcases. Little magazine.
Oh, they did give us pillows.
Yeah, we got pillows. Yeah, I forgot. We definitely ordered pillows. And then this is our duvet. And we got the alternative down because I have allergies.
Oh, okay, so we got the gray in here. That's what we got. We got gray instead of white.
Oh, okay, yeah. So we did get gray linens because I was afraid that the room was going to look a little bit too white, and I do like grays and neutrals, so.
And we also were thinking for our next pair, if we get white, we can mix and match.
Hold up, is this just the top sheet? Or wait, no. Because what's going on with this? This is some buttons. Are we buttoning this thing up? Oh, we literally have to button it.
Our mattress?
I'm so confused. Am I supposed to cover the whole mattress? That seems like such an inconvenience to clean. Maybe they put instructions in the bag. We're running out of time.
Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down.
All right guys, so this is the finished product. The color of the sheets, I expected it to be gray, but it actually kind of gives me a little bit of a light purple vibe, which I think is really pretty. And the mom bed frame definitely goes really well with the dressers, as I expected. And the whole room, I don't know if I can get like an angle where you guys can see like the whole vibe of this room. We've got our bed right here. It just looks so much more dreamy and inviting. Before, the gray duvet was just really dark, and I still kind of don't know if I want to keep those two dark pillows behind, but I just figured I'm going to keep them for now. And then eventually I want to maybe put some lights on either side on the wall or something. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Definitely don't like the whole idea of having the lights on the nightstands. I just feel like it's a waste of space. So once I figure out what I want to do with that, I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, pretty much that is all I had to share for this video today. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Here's Graham to say goodbye to you guys. We really appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.
That's not how it's supposed to be.